Hi guys, I'm Dr. Princess Eliza D.T. Anastasio, registered criminologist, a full-time criminology and forensic science professor, and a content creator. So for today's video guys, I'm gonna give you 3 tips how to pass the board licensure examination for criminologists, especially February 2026 na po yun, super lapit na. So if you are reviewing and aiming for the RCrim 2026, better watch the full video. Tip number 1 guys is know your learning method. So we have 3 kinds of learning style. We have the visual, auditory, kinesthetic, or learn by doing. Huwag kang gaya-gaya sa review style ng katabi mo sa review center, sa kaklase mo or sa jowa mo. So dapat alam mo if you're a visual learner, auditory, or kinesthetic. Kapag visual learner, syempre mas natututo ka kapag nagbabasa. So para hindi ka boring sa pagbabasa, learn how to use highlighter. So gumamit ka ng highlighter. Meron ako nabasa na kapag yellow and pink daw yung ginagamit natin na highlighter, mas nagre-register siya sa utak natin, mas mabilis na nagre-retain yung knowledge natin sa utak natin. So if you are an auditory learner naman guys, is makinig ka ng mga audio recordings, video lectures, marami nang gumagawa niyan, libre pa. And then if you are a kinesthetic learner or learn by doing like me, is ulitin mo yung pagsusulat kapag uwi mo sa bahay. So for example, nagtitake down notes ka on the day na nagre-review ka, and then pag uwi mo sa bahay or kapag galing mo sa review center, ulitin mo ulit yung sinulat mo. Or kaya naman kapag nagre-review ka, nagbabasa ka ng books, ng handouts, isulat mo yung mga important keywords or important notes na hindi mo naiintindihan para mas mabilis mo siyang ma-memorize at mag-retain siya sa knowledge mo or sa brain mo. And then guys, tip number 2 naman is focus on the goal. So eye on the prize, eye on the license, eye on the RCrim 2026. So if you feel na distraction siya, if you feel na hindi siya makakatulong sa'yo, eliminate that. So kung sa tingin mo hindi makakatulong sa'yo yung jowa mo, sa tingin mo nakakapag-consume siya ng time mo at hindi mo na ma-manage ng time mo ng maayos sa pagre-review, eliminate that. So eliminate those negativity para nakafocus ka lang talaga sa goal, which is to be an RCrim in 2026. And the last tip of all, which is the tip number 3, is the most important tip of all, which is faith. So ako, I believe that we need something that can boost us morally. So ako nung time ko, nagsisimba pa talaga ako sa St. Jude every Saturday and Thursday. And then every Sunday, nagsisimba naman ako sa Quiapo Church. I even do a sampa sa Nazareno nung kapistahan niya way back January 9, 2019. So before ako nag-take ng board exam. So I hope these tips will help you to get the license and to be an RCrim 2026. So claim mo na, and if you are believing and manifesting that you will become an RCrim next year or an RCrim in 2026, comment down below. Thank you for listening. Bye.